In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the "Your connection is not private" error in Google Chrome. If Chrome is blocking a website with this security warning, these troubleshooting steps can help you resolve the issue. First, refresh the web page by clicking the reload button or pressing Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. Sometimes the error is temporary and a simple refresh fixes it. Next, check your computer's date and time. Make sure they are set correctly, preferably using the Set Time Automatically option. An incorrect system clock can prevent Chrome from verifying website security certificates. If the problem continues, try opening the website in an incognito window by pressing Ctrl+Shift+N on Windows or Command+Shift+N on Mac. If the site works in incognito mode, one of your browser extensions may be causing the issue. Disable your extensions one by one to identify the problem. You should also clear Chrome's cache and cookies. Open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then delete browsing data. Select cookies and other site data and cached images and files, then click Delete Data. Restart Chrome and try the website again. Make sure Google Chrome is updated. Click the three-dot menu, go to Help, then About Google Chrome, install any available updates and restart the browser. If you're using antivirus software with HTTPS or SSL scanning, temporarily disable that feature and test the website again. Some security programs can interfere with secure connections. If the error appears only on one website, the website's SSL certificate may be expired or incorrectly configured. In that case, you'll need to wait for the website owner to fix the issue or contact them for assistance. That's how to fix the "Your connection is not private" error in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.